Alright, so we're going from entire radicals to mixed radicals. This would be considered an entire radical because it does not have a number in front and it's not simplified in some way. The number inside is not at its simplest form. So what I mean by that, I'll show you. We need to start off by finding our prime numbers, okay, our prime factors. And so again, the tree, alright? That tree is important. You need to know how to do that tree. So 72, we have the 9 times 8. Then we have the 3 times 3. 4 times 2. Oh, and again. Okay, so by writing our prime factors here, the prime factors of 72, again, write them off in pairs, okay, or in groups of the same number. So 3 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. And again, what's fun about this is you can always check if 3 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 actually gives you 72, and you can know if you're on the right track, okay? So in order for me to be able to simplify and to bring out some numbers and simplify this number inside the radical is by basically grouping them in pairs of 2, okay? So as you can see, I can take out a 3 here. I can also take out a 2, and when you take them out, you multiply. What I mean by take out is that the square root of 3 times 3 is 3. So you're basically like pushing the radical so that it's getting smaller and smaller. And inside the radical, you are left with a 2. Okay, and so the final answer, changing it into a mixed radical, would be 6 radical 2. All right, so this would basically be the same thing as this, but you went from that to that, making it entire radical to mixed radical. Make sure the number inside the radical cannot be simplified more, or there's not a perfect square inside as a factor. Okay, 84. So if I look at 84, I have 2 times 42, then I have 6 times 7, then I have 3 times 2, okay? So these are my factors. And so the square root of 84 would be 2 times 2, again, pair them up or put all the same numbers beside each other. And as you can see here, we're going to be left with a bigger number inside the radical because the only one that I can take out, or that the factor is a square root, is the 4, the 2. So I can take out here, sorry, not 4, but 2. Okay, so you have the square root of 2 times 2 is 2, and I am left with 3 times 7 inside, giving me a final answer of 2 radical 21. Okay, and as I can see, 21, there's no 2 numbers. It's 7 and 3. There's no 2 pairs of the same number that I can take out. All right. And that's it.